Ready? Here we go. Charlotte-Mecklenburg police officer arrested on Christmas Eve, jailed again. Records show. Officer was first arrested on Christmas Eve, and then Charlotte, North Carolina. A Charlotte-Mecklenburg police officer who was arrested on Christmas Eve was arrested again just days later, court records revealed. An affidavit showed that 41-year-old Onesiphorus, Bernard Williams was arrested on December 24th after he allegedly pointed a gun at a man and woman inside a home in East Charlotte. The woman was found to have been Williams' ex-wife. Found to have been? I'm almost betting they knew it was his ex-wife. Also, I'd like to note, Charlotte is about an hour from here. Complete shit show. Complete dumpster fire. He was charged with Stop. The dogs are in the house. It's cold outside. He was charged with 2 counts of misdemeanor assault by pointing a gun. He was released from jail after promising to appear in court. Williams, who has been with the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Police Department since October 2022, was not on duty at the time of the alleged incident. Not sure what difference that makes. 3 days after his initial arrest, record shows Williams was arrested again on December 27th. What's that about? I'm glad you asked. A warrant shows that the second arrest came after Williams was accused of violating a domestic violence protection order. He was released again after posting a $5,000 unsecured bond. Williams appeared in court following both arrests and waived his right to assign counsel both times. He is scheduled to be back in Mecklenburg County regarding all charges April 25th, 2025. We will keep an eye on this. Unsecured bond, promised to appear. And I'll be there when I be there. Following Williams' first arrest, Charlotte-Mecklenburg Police Chief Johnny Jennings said he was deeply troubled by it. Is he? Was he deeply troubled by the video I did, about a month ago, of the Charlotte-Mecklenburg police officer stealing money from the guy that they arrested? Go back and look at that video. Anyway, our department holds itself and its officers to the highest standards of conduct both on and off duty, Jennings said in a statement. This incident is a serious violation of those standards and a betrayal of the public trust we strive to earn every day. We will not tolerate any behavior that undermines the integrity of the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Police Department or erodes the confidence of the community we serve. Williams is currently assigned to the department's South Division. Wow, that sounds so sincere. Government cares nothing about any of you. Government cares about government. Anyway, here's a little clip of it I found.
New today, the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Police Department says it arrested one of its own officers. They say this happened at about 5:30 this morning. Police responded to a domestic violence assault with a deadly weapon call in the North Tryon Division. Officers say they took Officer Onesiphorus Williams into custody after questioning. He's facing 2 counts of assault by pointing a gun and is now on paid leave while internal affairs investigate.
Paid leave. Well, at least he's not losing any money, and he's got an unsecured bond, but taxpayers, he's just gonna need you to keep paying them taxes because he owes the courts a little bit of money.
Chief Johnny Jennings issued a statement saying, in part, I am deeply troubled by the arrest of Officer Williams. Our department holds itself and its officers to the highest standards of conduct both on and off duty.
Now, the one that stole the $900, they did wind up, I can't remember if they fired him or if he left while he's under investigation. Anyway, I'm almost sure they did not take his post certificate, so he'll likely pop up somewhere else at some time. So if he does, I'll be sure to make a video on that. Anyway, like, share, subscribe. I am out.